Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and whoa, let's just slow down for a second. What an amazing month it has been, right? I mean, like, are you just going, whoa, what happened? Where'd November go? Well, let me just tell you, at the Stamps of Life, it has been an incredible month. We released a brand new club. We had Black Friday week. It has just been mind-blowing. We released the Faline bag that keeps selling out. We can't keep it in stock. Whew. Okay, let's start at the beginning of November because I feel like I have so much to talk about. November 1st, we released our first ever Fold It for our Fold It Club. What's a Fold It? It's a shaped card. And you know what? The bee was our first shaped card that we came out with. And don't forget, my friends, it came with 2 stencils. Every month, you get a shaped card and 2 stencils that match. Yay! Okay, so that was the first thing. Then we released our cute little woodland guys, and they're so absolutely adorable. Woodland to stamp. And look, we even added some friends as well. So adorable, so fun. There's all these cute little animals, that cute little moose. Oh, and that net background, that burlap background that I just love. Look at how cute. We also released this amazing 5x7 wood scene background. Isn't that gorgeous? Those cute little guys. I love those orange trees. They just, oh, the color I just love. Here's a cute little bear. Absolutely love him. Love that burlap background. It's just so fun. Then here's a cute example of those fun little guys, but also with our decal edge. Whoa! I know. You are going to see those nested decal edge shapes in so many future projects from our design team. They just went crazy with that. So we have that one, but I have more of those to show you. But we also released our snow globe Fold It. Oh, I absolutely love this one. It's one of my favorites, I'll tell you that. But my coffee lovers, I didn't leave you out. We have a new coffee pot. Look how cute that Fold It is. You can even make it a shaker, and isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love it. But first, coffee. Isn't that fun? We also released for our Create a Scene card base the woodland background. You can add your gnomes, you could add your cute little woodland animals, you can add your own little scene, whatever you want. That fun mushroom is in there as well. So cute. And the grass. Don't forget the grass. We also released our fun lowercase alphabet to match our stripy alphabet stamps. Now you're going to have these alphabets, which are so fun, and we also have the shadows that go with it all together. So it's really awesome, and you're going to absolutely, look at that. You are the best. I love it. We also released a new Peep. Yay, a new little piggy Peep. So adorable. I absolutely love her. Look at this one, Hammond Up. Love her. She's so cute. Here's another cute one. I just can't get enough of her. She's so fun. Now, let's look at those decal edge, because as I mentioned, my design team just said, you know what? Decal edge is where it's at. And we had so much fun with these. Look at this. That is all decal edge. I know you guys saw a sneak peek of this and you were all going, how'd you do that? All layered decal edge. It's that simple. Can you believe it? Isn't that adorable? Now, not to be left out, we also came out with a decal edge slim line. Now here's what it looks like. You can use the layering pieces by themselves as well. That's up to you. You can put it on a different slim line, but look at how fun. I told you we love that decal edge so much. Then, not to be outdone, we re-released our snowman Fold It. Here it is on a regular size card. So adorable. Look how cute that little guy is. Open that up. And we also released, I know Black Friday week was insane, wasn't it? 5x7 scalloped card with that gorgeous happy birthday. Like, look at that size of that happy birthday. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely love it. Decorated on the inside. And we released washi tape. This is an exclusive washi tape. I had so much fun designing this one. It says, it's all words, so it's fun. Thank you, congratulations, just a note, miss you, and get well soon. All in different fonts, all in different colors. So fun. Last but certainly not least, our ombre markers. Now I'm calling them ombre markers. They're the tricolors. They're so fun because there's 3 different colors in each marker that go perfectly together. So if you don't want to do just blue, you can do like an ombre effect instead. And it's all organized by color, so you don't have to worry about, oh, should I do this color or this color? No, it's all done for you, which is so incredibly fun. I told you, it's been a month, right? Whoa! Now, if you're not in that Fold It Club, This is like the last couple days to sign up to get that B folded. So if you want that one, it will not be on our website. It will not be for sale for at least 15 months. So if you even kind of like that B, get it now before it's gone. You're going to be sad. Baleen is going to get emails after the November. It's going to be gone. It's going to fly away for at least 15 months. So heads up 7-Up, make sure you get in on that Fold It Club before it's too late to get that B. And then, you know what? You'll be able to say you were in from the beginning. So cool, so awesome. Thanks so much. Stay tuned for December. And you know what? 2023 is going to be even more amazing, you guys. We have so many new awesome products. I'm working on brand new items, product development on different things, and it's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to share it all with you. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.